Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, from this deck for your daily energies, for your career situation, and love energies, guys. So, this is for your daily energies, Capricorn. This is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your relationship, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the wisdom oracle deck, so we'll open the card at last, guys. So for your daily energies, we'll open the card now, guys. It is 5 of cups in reverse. With this card, Capricorn, the energy is that, guys, today you will be getting some important news, maybe some collaborations in your work, something positive maybe for some of you all, or it may also be something negative, maybe some suspensions in your projects or in your deals. There may be some delays or something like that, guys. Or it may be somebody from your past, your person, or your relative, or a long lost friend. They may be coming to meet you all of a sudden. So maybe something happy or something sad, guys, may also come into being. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. It is 8 of Wands. So with this card here, guys, I see here that you are making great efforts today, and you are seeing that path to success. So whatever work you are taking up, whatever activity that you are taking up, you are being very successful, and things are going in a very positive way, and promptly those goals, they are coming towards you at a faster pace. So whatever the end you were expecting, the goals, your happiness, so whatever it is coming towards you at a faster pace, guys. So that is what I see here. So something happy is uh, happening today in your career situation, guys. So it may be great news. Then we were talking about some great news, or some delays maybe for some of you all. But with this card here, with this positive energy here, I feel it is going to be a good day for you in your business, guys. So things are going to go as it is supposed to be, and you are beginning a journey, a long journey towards your goal, but you are seeing that success within reach. That is what I see here with this card. Let us see what is this card for your relationship, guys. Queen of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, the energy is that for your relationship, guys, you have that great understanding, and love, affection is there, but you may be finding certain obstacles in this relationship, guys. So maybe it may be because of some people working against your relationship, maybe some common friends or your family members who do not approve of this person. So they may be jealous of this person, they want to separate you both, or something, guys, something is obstructing. But I see here that you both share a good understanding, love, and that caring, respect, everything is there. But somebody is opposing your connection. Someone may be a common friend, or your family member, or parents. Somebody is going against this relationship. That is what I see here with this card, Capricorn. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance card for you all, guys. Round and round. With this card, guys, the oracle's guidance for your Capricorn is maybe sometimes you'll be wondering how you are in the similar situation again. So, something familiar about the situation. So it may be too familiar because it may be the same story repeating. So, even with your past relationship, it would have been the same situation. So, why it is repeating that way? It is because you may not have that deeper understanding of your situation, guys. So when you see your situation from a different perspective, when you get that clarity, you will know how to do things. You should not do those actions that never worked before. So you have to have that learning from your past experience. So what way you will choose now, it will stop this cycle. So in your relationship you should give up that blaming and uh, what to say, you have to remain curious in your situation, guys. Only then you will be aware of what is the solution for your problem. It is not about blame in the situation, guys. It is about accountability. So what you need to do to make it right, that is what matters. So you should not repeat the same actions that you did in your past in the similar situation. So even for your work situation, guys, if you find yourself in a particular situation, things are going just like the past, what you need to do, you need to be aware of your deeper motives, what is attracting those opportunities towards you, and what people have entered your life who are a part of your journey towards prosperity, and what way you should go, and who are the people who will support you. So you need to have a clear understanding. So whatever works for you, you need to go for those actions, those efforts, and leave out those that will not work. So when you do that, you will free yourself from going round and round and round again and again, maybe facing some obstacles or struggles or losses in your business or in your work situation. So you should avoid those actions. So that is the oracle's guidance, guys. So you need to have that clear understanding based on your past experience, guys. So in all those experiences, you are the one thing that is common. So you need to understand that, and you need to understand that you have the power to change this situation of going round and round, and you possess the key for your own freedom. So it is just good to be our own selves. So instead of blaming others, we can change ourselves and lead our life towards that love, happiness, and prosperity, guys. So in order to do that, we have to have that clear understanding in our situation. So that is what the oracles are guiding us today with, guys, and that is the reading for you all, Capricorn. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your decisions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.